Pomegranates have been cultivated for thousands of years, prized for their flavor and nutrition.
Only fully matured fruits are selected for premium juice production.
Harvesting is done carefully to protect the fruit's delicate skin.
Freshness at this stage is critical to juice quality. After harvesting, the fruit is quickly transported to the factory.
Speed ensures nutrients and flavor are preserved.
This is where raw fruit becomes premium bottled juice.
Every delivery is logged and monitored. The processing journey begins immediately. Each pomegranate is handled with care. Strict hygiene standards are maintained throughout the facility. The fruit is thoroughly washed to remove dirt and debris.
Soft brushes clean without damaging the skin.
After washing, the fruit is ready for inspection. Damaged or underripe fruits are removed. Only the best pomegranates move forward. This step ensures consistent taste and color. Quality control begins long before juicing. Advanced sensors detect hidden defects. Operators monitor the process in real time. Now the fruit is prepared for juice extraction. The thick outer shell is carefully opened.
Inside, thousands of ruby red areoles are released.
Peels are removed for recycling or byproducts.
These areoles are the heart of premium pomegranate juice.
Fresh areoles are gently pressed to release natural juice.
The juice maintains its vibrant color and rich flavor.
Precision machinery extracts maximum yield without crushing seeds. Seeds are removed for quality and clarity. The juice moves along hygienic, sealed channels. Controlled pressure preserves taste and nutrients.
Every batch is tested for flavor and quality.
Automation ensures precision while operators supervise. High throughput is achieved without compromising quality. The freshly extracted juice is collected in hygienic tanks. Filtration removes pulp fragments and impurities. The result is crystal clear, premium quality juice.
Every particle is carefully separated.
Holding tanks maintain the juice under controlled conditions.
Temperature control preserves color, flavor, and nutrients.
Regular testing ensures every batch meets strict standards.
Chemical and sensory tests guarantee consistency.
Digital monitoring allows real-time process adjustments.
Clean, filtered juice is ready for blending and formulation.
Mixing guarantees even flavor and color throughout.
The natural richness of the fruit is fully preserved. Every drop is carefully handled to prevent contamination.
Precision monitoring is key for premium production.
The factory is a blend of automation and skilled supervision. With extraction and filtration complete, the juice is ready for bottling. Sterile glass bottles arrive ready for filling.
Each bottle is cleaned to maintain hygiene.
Automated systems ensure exact fill levels. Deep red juice is carefully poured into every bottle. Accuracy guarantees consistency for every batch. Sealing preserves flavor and prevents contamination. Modern machinery ensures a perfect seal. Once capped, bottles are ready for labeling. Every bottle receives its branded identity.
Precision labeling reflects the premium quality inside.
High-tech sensors check for fill level, seal, and label alignment. Any imperfection is removed immediately. Only perfect bottles continue to the next stage. They are carefully arranged for efficient packing. Protective wrapping ensures safe transport.
Bottles are packed into cartons for distribution.
Each carton is sealed and labeled precisely.
Automation speeds up the final packaging process.
The factory is now ready for storage and shipping.
Logistics teams ensure organized inventory management.
Temperature-controlled storage preserves freshness. Juice is kept in optimal conditions until shipment. The juice is now ready to leave the factory.
Each shipment carries carefully processed premium juice.
From orchard to bottle, the journey of quality continues.
Every bottle is verified for quality and traceability.
Automated vision systems catch even the smallest defects. Any inconsistencies are immediately removed. Only perfect bottles proceed to distribution.
Human oversight complements automated inspections.
Precision at this stage guarantees premium presentation.
Cartons are stacked efficiently for storage or transport.
Automation ensures speed and safety during palletizing.
Each pallet is logged into the inventory system.
Temperature-controlled storage keeps the juice fresh. Every shipment is handled with precision. The journey to consumers begins here. Secure packaging prevents damage during transport. Premium pomegranate juice begins its journey worldwide. From factory floor to market shelves, logistics are seamless. Cold chain management ensures freshness is maintained.
Digital tracking guarantees traceability from factory to store.
Efficiency and speed deliver juice at peak quality. Products are unloaded and ready for distribution.
Each pallet is verified against shipment records.
The journey from orchard to bottle is complete.
Crafted with care and precision. The rich color reflects the natural fruit inside. From tree to table, quality is never compromised.
Inside a modern pomegranate factory, every step tells a story of care, technology, and flavor.
Bottles are bundled into multi-packs for retail and online orders. Shrink wrapping adds protection and presentation.
Labeling ensures traceability and compliance.
Organized storage facilitates efficient distribution.
Digital tracking maintains accuracy and inventory control.
Warehouse operations rely on both machines and skilled staff.
Temperature control ensures freshness until delivery.
Automated systems optimize warehouse flow.
Quality and compliance checks are continuous. Ready-to-ship pallets are staged for delivery. The product is designed to appeal to premium customers.
Presentation in stores is crucial for consumer engagement.
High-quality images support online sales.
Marketing emphasizes freshness, taste, and health benefits.
The deep ruby color signals quality and richness.
Premium juice becomes part of everyday life.
Chefs and enthusiasts trust its natural flavor.
Direct-to-consumer packaging adds convenience.
Attention to detail reinforces premium positioning. Every shipment reflects the factory's quality standards. The modern factory blends technology with nature.
Human care ensures each fruit reaches its potential.
The journey begins long before it reaches the factory floor. Modern processing preserves nature's flavor in every drop. From orchard to bottle, precision, technology, and care come together. Premium juice begins its journey to markets around the world.
Efficient logistics ensure freshness upon arrival.
Warehouses store and organize shipments for timely distribution.
Careful handling guarantees the product reaches consumers in perfect condition.
Premium presentation reflects the quality inside.
Consumers can also enjoy convenience through online delivery.
Direct-to-consumer shipments expand reach worldwide.
Every bottle tells the story of care, from orchard to table.
The deep ruby color and fresh aroma delight every sense.
Pomegranate juice becomes part of healthy, joyful daily life.
The journey begins in lush orchards, nurtured by nature.
Human hands ensure only the best fruit is selected.
Modern technology transforms fruit into premium juice. Every bottle reflects purity, flavor, and care. Premium juice ready for consumers worldwide. Efficient logistics ensure freshness across continents. From factory to global markets, the journey continues.
Premium quality reaches tables around the world. Versatile, nutritious, and delicious in every use.
Moments of joy are enhanced with natural goodness.
Nature and technology work hand in hand to create premium juice.
Every bottle captures the essence of the fruit inside.
The vibrant color and flavor are a testament to quality.
Orchard to factory and factory to table, every step is crafted with care.
Inside a modern pomegranate factory, nature, technology, and human care come together to deliver premium juice for the world.